Okay, Janice, tell me what has been your experience and tell me how you feel today after delivering your prostheses.
Oh, I feel elated. Uh, I I came to Dr. Nui through a large group of friends who knew him well and recommended him so highly. And I have been with him for 3.5 years, I believe. And when my teeth just started falling out at random, we dealt with it, and he carefully considered alternatives, explained them to me, gave me details about what to expect, and um, together it's been a joy for me. He has been creative in the way of an artist, and I have been guided through this so that I have really a new life. I'm unafraid to smile, and as I have to be in the public, it has really changed my business life, my private life, and I am elated, as I said. Thank you, Dr. Nui.
You're very welcome. How did you like about this customization and
Oh,
characterization when it came to the color or shade or
I'm
the
so
shape of the teeth?
appreciative. I'm
This
so.
was a mutual agreement not to make it too white, right?
It was at your suggestion to take advantage of the 8 decades that I have behind me and not make a glaring, youthful, unreal contrast to the life I live. And I feel in harmony thanks to his. That's the artist, and he's artistic in all ways, with his hands, with his nature, with his character. Very, very fine person to work with.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's been
you.
very kind of you to leave this message for other people to know what you went through. Beautiful smile. I'm so glad.